So those of you that have been really losing muscle, you're going to want to listen to this tip. 2, you become more insulin resistant. I know, as estrogen goes down, insulin resistance goes up. It sucks, I know, but there's a way out using the tools of fasting. Dr. Mindy here, and on this video, I'm going to go through my favorite exercise and fasting tips for postmenopausal women. Ladies, I've been listening. I see your comments on my YouTube Live, my Instagram Live. I haven't left you out. This is specific to postmenopausal women, and these 5 tips will absolutely accelerate your results with your health, so I'm super excited to give them to you. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm on a mission to get 1 million people here fasting this year. Fasting is our way out of chronic disease. So I'm super excited you're here. Subscribe, hit the notification button, and those of you that share my videos out, just so grateful for you. We are all in this together. We can overcome chronic disease using these principles of fasting. So I am so grateful for all of you that send your friends here, send your family here, share my videos out. Just adore you. Thank you for everything that you guys do. Okay, ready? I got 5 tips. Before I give you those 5 tips, though, I just want to make some key points. Women, if you are past menopause, you have 4 major issues going on in your body that need to, when you're looking at exercise, when you're looking at fasting, we need to customize both of those healing tools to be able to overcome these 4 things. First, you're losing muscle. Right? I mean, I'm 51 years old. I'm almost over that hump into the postmenopausal range, and I have to fight for muscle like nobody's business. I didn't have to do that at 31. So those of you that have been really losing muscle, you're going to want to listen to this tip. 2, you become more insulin resistant. I know, as estrogen goes down, insulin resistance goes up. It sucks, I know, but there's a way out using the tools of fasting. Okay, 3rd key point is you've got less collagen. You can see it in the mirror with the wrinkles, but you're also going to see it in working out. Postmenopausal women are more prone to injury, so I've got a couple hacks for you to make sure that we keep your collagen production up. And then, of course, the other key point that isn't really necessary to say, but I'm going to say it anyways, which is our hormones are already depleted, especially our sex hormones. So estrogen, progesterone, and testosterone tend to be the lowest postmenopausal. Good news is estrogen and progesterone are supposed to be low, but testosterone doesn't have to be low. So we'll talk about that. So here are my tips. Ready? Tip number 1. More strength training, less cardio. And if you're watching this video and you aren't postmenopausal yet, I really encourage you that after the age of 40, every woman needs to take her marathon running shoes and retire them. I'm not saying that you don't do cardio, but you need to put those running shoes away and pick up the weights. So you are going to find more strength, obviously. You're going to find better posture. For those of you who feel like as you're aging, you're hunching over, you're going to find that you become less injured, and you're going to find that you are burning fat better when you switch your workout from cardio to strength training and you start building muscle. Really, really key. Okay, second thing. When you fast, I want you to break your fast with protein, and I want you to do this almost every time. So postmenopausal women, we have to really focus on building up muscle. We have more protein requirements. So go ahead and do your fasting, but when you break your fast, break it with protein. A lot of times what I will do is I will just do like a sausage, or I'll do like a hard-boiled egg. I'll do some protein-rich meal to break my fast, because I know that every day I step on this planet, I gotta fight for that muscle. So I love to fast to keep me lean, but then I wanna get that protein right back in so I can stimulate mTOR and start to build muscle more efficiently. Okay, number 3, you're gonna up your collagen production, or intake, I should say, because your production's going down. 30% of your collagen production, the internal collagen production, is going to be lost in the first 5 years of menopause. This is why we start to see so many wrinkles. This is why women get injured more. So we're going to have to find exogenous ways to get that collagen production up. So exogenous just means from the outside. So one of my favorite ways, what is now going into either a glass of water or a smoothie or maybe one of my Organifi drinks every afternoon, is this collagen ECM powder. It does not have a taste. You can put it in water, mix it up. I do a scoop every day. If you really want to get your collagen production up, you would do a couple of scoops. And if you put collagen in the notes, my team will come in and give you a link and show you where you can order this specific product. But you're going to need to up your collagen. My other favorite tool for collagen production is red light therapy. So red light therapy, 20 minutes on your face every day, can really enhance natural collagen production. You're going to have to learn how to hack into some of this collagen that your body's not making anymore. Let's figure out how we can get it to make it just a little bit more, and red light therapy can do that. What I do in the morning is I take my little Juve Mini, put it in my lap, plug in a meditation, turn it on for 20 minutes, and every morning I'm getting myself a good dose of red light therapy. So if you're not familiar with red light therapy, just put in the notes red light therapy and we'll send you a link to the product that I use. Okay, fourth thing, we got to get doing more protein cycling days. Menopausal women, we got to lean into more of that protein so you're not only breaking your fast with protein, but I want to see you doing more of the protein cycling days. What's a protein cycling day? This is based off the research that was showing us that when we do 20 grams of protein every 2 to 3 hours, it is the most efficient way to stimulate mTOR. mTOR builds muscle. So instead of sitting down and having a mega meal of protein, you're going to do 20 grams every couple of hours and divvy it out throughout the day. It's a beautiful way to make sure that you're building more muscle. Okay, fifth one. Don't forget progesterone. We love progesterone. In fact, if you've read the Menopause Reset, you know that I have that chapter that says, "Dear progesterone, I'm sorry I took you for granted. Didn't really think about progesterone till she went away. Then I really missed her." Progesterone is important for postmenopausal women because it keeps us balanced, brings our anxiety down, it upregulates serotonin. So make sure 1 day a week you're doing hormone building foods. And I've got a lot of videos where I've gone through that. So make sure you can scour all my menopause videos here and I go through my hormone building days. Okay, so last couple of bonus tips that I really want to point out. So the way this would look in a week is that you would be doing 2 feast days. You would be doing a feast day of protein cycling and you would be doing a feast day of hormone building. Now, if you're trying to lose weight, I just want to point out that then on the other 5 days, you're going to want to do longer fasts. And I really like for postmenopausal women, I like when you guys are doing somewhere between a 17 to 24 hour fast because we're stimulating autophagy, which will repair the neurons in your brain. And with the 24-hour fast, we're resetting your gut so we can keep the microbiome healthy, which keeps your immune system up, helps give you GABA to calm your brain down. So make sure when you are fasting, if you're going to do these 2 styles of feasting, I want to make sure the other 5 days you're going at least 17 hours. If you can go 24, that's phenomenal. So there you go. You guys asked. We're listening. I see your comments. We're listening, so keep commenting. And so many of you postmenopausal women have asked, what can I do? How do I use exercise and fasting? So these are my favorite tips. And if you guys want more information on how to manage menopause with both fasting variations, food variations, and exercise variations, I am teaching that in my academy. We have a whole course for menopausal women, postmenopausal, perimenopausal, menopausal. I got a whole course for you guys. So come on into my academy and let us help you customize a fasting lifestyle. Just put Reset Academy in the comments. My team will get you a link. And last thing, if you want to know more about menopause, like immediately, like right now, just go to the video that says 5 steps to managing menopause naturally, and I have a whole system on how we can use our lifestyle to overcome the hormones that are coming and going and the craziness that goes on up here. So, as always, there you go. I hope it helps, and tell me how my techniques that I've taught you here on YouTube, let me know how they have helped you manage not only menopause, but maybe your hormones. Share it in the comments. Have an awesome day.